What's up guys, Aiden here, Aiden on Landscaping. Welcome back to another video. Today in this video, on a job site here, we just tore out a row. Bushes right here. Got dump trailer right here. Shout out to Chris with Horizon Outdoor Design. Dropped off what looks like a 7x14 or 7x16 dump trailer. We're just loading it up with all of our debris here. Got my guys, that's Matthew, you saw him in the last video, or whenever that was, a couple videos ago. My buddy Sam. And just cleaning this out. We whacked this all down. We gotta cut it all out. And
does this come out?
Nah, I think we're gonna actually leave this, but it does need to be cleaned up a little bit. I guess so. And we took a big bush out there, so we're just rocking and rolling today. And bring you guys along, check it out. Wanted to show you a new tool I got. This is the pole saw attachment for the steel combi system. So far so good. What do you think about it, Matthew?
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Way better than pickaxe.
Yeah, wherever the pickaxe is, or the hand saw. Got some donuts here. That's what I'm talking about. All right, let's get back to work. sharp, looking sharp. Boys are having fun here. Got the Toro 60 volt going and the BR 600. Getting this yard cleared out and off. Very nice, very nice. Anyway, we got the beds edged. Got a little bit of cleanup work left to do. Gonna go ahead and spray them with some Roundup Quick Pro right now. All those bushes that were here are gone. Nice and edged out here. Coming back through, get that grass out. All cleaned out through here. A couple other little beds over there cleaned out. We are rocking and rolling, guys. Another great project on the books. This is part 1 of 3 of this project. Gonna do some cleanup work, new plants and mulch. Boys are having fun. Like I said, we got everything cleaned out. Got to spray some Quick Pro in the beds, get rid of the rest of these weeds. Bada bing, bada boom. Looking good, looking good. The boys are shooting these leaves. Well guys, I want to thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch the video. More videos to come. Actually, we'll be back here in a couple weeks, so give me 2 weeks of content and we'll be back here on this job. Aeration and seeding video is to come. Just waiting for some results on the yards, then we'll go back, get those results for you, kind of put it all into one video. Whatever else you guys want to see is coming at you. Seeding my lawn, Toro blower, more stuff to come. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any other questions, please leave them in the box down below. But with that, I'm Aiden from Maison Landscaping. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.